Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decor Center. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country inspired home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world charm with simple country living comfort. It feels cozy, lived-in, and full of gentle memories, like a peaceful countryside cottage from the past. Vintage country decor combines vintage elements, aged antique charm or beauty, country style, simplicity, nature, warmth, and comfort. Together, they create a home that feels soft, welcoming, romantic, and timeless. It is not about perfection, it is about character, history, and heart. Key characteristics: soft muted color palette like cream, off-white, beige, pastel blue, shush green, dusty rose. These colors create a calm and peaceful countryside feeling. Aged and distressed furniture, wooden tables with old paint, used distressed cabinets, vintage cupboards, farmhouse-style chairs. Scratches and faded paints are beautiful here. They tell a story. Use vintage decorative pieces, antique clocks, old photo frames, enamel jugs, iron lanterns, wooden trays, porcelain or ceramic pieces. Every item feels collected over time, not bought all at once. Use natural and handmade touches, linen and cotton fabrics. Use crochet table mats or runners, lace curtains, handmade baskets, dried flowers or wild flowers. This brings softness and authenticity. Use floral and country patterns. Use small floral prints, gingham checks, stripes, patchwork fabrics. They add sweetness and cottage charm. Use warm, cozy atmosphere, soft lighting, candles, table lamps in fabric shades, sunlight through shade curtains. The goal is comfort and luxury. The feeling of vintage country style. Vintage country homes feel peaceful, homey, emotional, warm, nostalgic, connected to nature. It is a style that says, "Solo town, your home." Vintage country inspired home decor and depth. Vintage country decor is not just a decorating style. It is a lifestyle mode, solo, gentle, emotional, and connected to the past. It blends rural country simplicity with old-time vintage beauty to create spaces that feel lived in, loved, and peaceful. Philosophy behind the style. Vintage country design is based on three ideas. First, simplicity, not heavy luxury, no modern shine. Everything feels humble and real. Nostalgia, inspired by grandparents' homes, old villages, traditional countryside life. Nature connection, natural materials used earthy tones, floral beauty, seasonal living. This style celebrates imperfection and memory. Links, color story, very important. Vintage country colors always feel soft and faded, like they have aged gently over time. Common shades: warm cream, antique white, soft butter yellow, faded blue, shush cream, dusty pink, light gray. Nothing is bright or bold. Colors feel sun-washed and calm. Furniture style. Furniture looks old, handmade, passed down, slightly old. Typical pieces: wooden farmhouse table, carved back chairs, vintage cupboards, dressers with glass doors, sideboards with chipped painting. Paint finishes: chalk paint, milk paint, distress white, soft pastel layers. Warm marks are part of the beauty. Fabrics and textiles. Textiles make this style emotional and cozy. Common materials cotton, linen, lace, crochet, and muslin used as table runners, cushion covers, bedspreads, curtains, chair covers. Patterns are gentle, tiny florals, checks, stripes, and patchworks. Decorative accessories. Vintage content taker used meaningful objects, not too many examples. Enamel kettles, ceramic chairs, wooden crates, old books, glass bottles, iron hooks, wicker baskets. Each item looks like it has a story. Natural elements. Nature play a big role. Use fresh flowers, dried lavender, cotton stems, olive branches, wheat bundles. Plants are simple, not decorative, but natural. Lighting mode. Lighting is always warm, soft, and gentle. Used lighting, fabric shade lamps, candle holders, lanterns, fairy lights, warm tone. No harsh white light. Room by room filling. First, living room. Use soft sofa, floral cushions, wooden coffee table, vintage frames. Next, kitchen. Use open shelves, ceramic dishes, glass jars, linen towels, wooden boards. For bedroom, use iron bed or wooden bed, layered bedding, laced curtains, soft rug. For dining area, use farm table, mixed chairs, flower centerpiece. Emotional atmosphere. A vintage country home feels calm, safe, warm, familiar, comforting. It is designed for tea moments, family talks, quiet mornings, solo evenings. Difference from other styles. Modern, filling, clean and minimal. Farmhouse, rustic and bold. For cottage, soft and floral. For vintage country, nostalgic and soulful. Vintage country sits beautifully between cottage charm and rustic warmth. Vintage country inspired home taker means a home that feels old in the best way, full of warmth, memories, softness, and touch. Vintage content inspired home decor depth understanding. Vintage content decor is about creating a home that feels remembered, not deserted. It looks as if life has cheaply passed through. It comes used every morning. Contains moving with the breeze. Furniture softened by time. The soul of the style. This style is inspired by old countryside homes, European and English rural cottages, farm families living simply, handmade household traditions. It honors slowness, simplicity, comfort, emotional warmth. A vintage country home never feels rushed. Imperfection is beauty. In modern decor, perfection is important. In vintage country decor, imperfection is everything. Uneven paint, faded wood, slight cracks, mismatched items. Design meant life has happened to tear. Nothing should look factory new. Washed and time-tossed colors. Colors looks as though sunlight has softened them over many years. Think of old postcards, vintage photographs, ordered farmhouses. This creates space for the eyes and mind. Materials that feel real. Vintage country avoids artificial shine. Preferred materials: solid wood, iron, ceramic, stone, glass, cotton, or linen. These materials age beautifully over time. Everyday objects as decor. In this style, daily use items become decoration. Examples: plates displayed on shelves, cups hanging on hooks, towels folded openly, baskets used for storage. Nothing feels hidden. Life is visible, and that's beautiful. Nature is always present. Nature is not decoration, it is part of the home. Flowers on tables, herbs in the kitchen, branches in chairs, seasonal leaves. Even child plants are valued because they show time passing. Handmade emotion. Handmade pieces are very important. Use crochet runners, lace tireless, embroidered cushions, quilts, knitted throws. They bring human warmth that machines cannot create. Quiet corners. Windows country homes often have small peaceful corners, a chair near the window, a side table with a lamp, a book with flowers, a teacup waiting. These spaces invite rest and reflection. Seasonal living. This style changes gently with seasons. Spring is florals, light fabrics. Summer is cotton, when windows for autumn, warm tones and chad leaves. For winter, layers, blankets, or candlelight. The home breathes with nature. Emotional impact. True Windows country homes makes people feel safe, calm, comforted, grounded, welcomed. It is not about impressing guests. It is about making people feel they belong. Windows Continuous Partaker is a gentle conversation between the past and the present, told through old fabric, light, and love. Layer everything gently. Windows Country style loves soft layering. Tables, runner plus tree plus flowers. Sofa use cushions plus throw blankets. Bed, seats plus quartz plus light cover. Layers that warmth and comfort without looking heavy. Use old style mirrors. Choose mirrors with wooden frames, distressed paint, curved, or antique shapes. They reflect light softly and add old world charm. Open stores looks better than closed. Instead of high-tech items, display plates, stack bowls, show glass jars, hang cups on hooks. This makes the home feel welcoming and real. Mix old with simple. Not everything must be antique. Balance old checker items with simple neutral furniture. This keeps the home comfortable, not crowded. Create warm corners, a small cozy spot, a tools with flowers, a lamp beside a chair, a basket with blankets. This quiet corners gives emotional comfort. Choose small-scale florals, avoid big, bold floral prints. Best option, tiny flowers, soft finish, faded rose patterns. They feel gentle and vintage. Late oat show it says, don't cover all oat with paint. Keep natural grain visible. Alice grasses, use lightly sanded finishes. Aged oat drink authenticity. Handmade details. Handmade items are the heart of the style. Use crochet table mats, lace towels, embroidered pillow covers, hand-woven baskets. Even old handmade beads changes the whole mood. Keep windows soft. Use shrink-contains, cotton or linen fabrics, light colors. Let sunlight flow gently into the room. Decor slowly. Windows country homes are not decorated in one day. Add pieces gradually. On shelves today, on basket later, on flower vase next week. This creates a natural, collected look. Use nature daily. Drink nature inside often fresh flowers, leaves, herbs, branches. Simple nature makes the home alive. Avoid shiny modern finishes. Try not to use glossy surfaces, chrome metal, very modern shapes. Choose matte, soft, ace textures instead. story with Decor. Every item should feel meaningful. A cup with love, a basket you use, a cloth you wash and reduce. If it is feels personal, it belongs. Vintage country decor is not about matching. It is about feeling, memory, warmth, comfort. If your home feels peaceful to you, then you have done it right. Mix different chairs. Don't use matching dining chairs. Mix odd tones, different shapes, slightly different styles. The greatest and old farmhouse look collected over time. Use baskets everywhere. Baskets are very important in vintage country style. Use them for storage, plants, towels, blankets, magazines, wicker, king, or jute work best. Take it with everyday beauty. Simple daily items can be decor, teacups, platters, jugs, spoons, trays. Place them where you can see and use them. Add wooden trays. Wooden trays help organize while looking beautiful. Use them on coffee tables, kitchen counters, dressing tables. Add a candle or flowers on top. Use candles even without lighting. Candles add warmth even when not lit. Choose cream or beige colors, simple holders, iron or glass stands. They bring softness instantly. Bring the garden inside. Even a small greenery helps. Herbs in cups, leaves in bottles, flowers in jars. You don't need expensive plants. Keep decor low and grounded. Have a tall modern decor. Low tables, basket, tools. Build more rustic and country. A vintage country home is not perfect. It is peaceful, gentle, welcoming, and full of quiet beauty. That is its true magic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.